So I'm working on a research paper for a game that I'm trying to design. It's called Environmental Meltdown. Basically, it's a game of, of a player playing, and they experience the present and then the future. The future will turn out with pollution, the road destroyed, and throughout the game, they're gonna go through obstacles and learning new changes they could do in order to help the pollution better and to change the future into a better future instead of having a future that's destroyed. Um, Basically, the title is called "This Play Change the Perspective of Human Views." How play influence cognitive development and environmental meltdown, which is the name of my game. The goal of this is in order to understand if developing this game will work. Like, we don't want to spend thousands of hours or thousands of dollars developing a game and then we publish it and it doesn't end up working and it just doesn't work at all and you don't make money out of it and you don't reach your goal of connecting human or player's perspective and emotions into the game. So in order for me to understand if this game concept will work, I would need to conduct research. Um, I want the study to understand how the brain, the mind, the body, and the player itself could connect with the game. There's so many games out there that are educational games, like let me see, like preschoolers or like kindergartens. They learn and read and write, and there are those little fun games where they could like spell words or read or learn how to type or anything like that. But this game is more for like players for 12 and up. Um, I wanted to be like a more realistic game, kind of like Zelda. Zelda could be kind of a perspective. Having a player going into obstacles, solving puzzles, solving things, figuring it out, having to defeat bad guys. Other games like oh, I can't think one of my head, but I did write it here in my research paper. There are other games that do have like educational games or environmental connection to the games. It doesn't only have to be that, but I also want it to like players should have fun. I don't want it to be so boring. I want them to be able to like solve it on their own instead of me guiding them to the game, telling them how to pass it on each level would be so boring. So having that state of mind, letting them solve it on their own would be great. Um, I did use some psychological connection here. I also connected to a lot of our books reading that we've been reading lately, a lot of our lessons and chapters. Um, like social difficulties was one of the main things that I have in here in this research paper. Another one is creativity within the video games. Like this first few sentences, this research approach played through games with the relationship of the brain, body, emotions, and social space. Playing games can be defined as activity to engage children and adults for amusement entertainment. We play games because it's fun, but when a game stops being fun, we stop playing it. The human ability is to play. It's powerful because we can escape from reality, have control of the games we play, and be able to interact and compete with others. Basically, this is part of my research paper and I'm still in the ongoing process. I am planning on adding pictures and photos of how I plan on designing these games and probably do a bit of um, data analysis, like ask questions to other people. What do they think about this game or do you think it will work or not? But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now.